So if you tend to make decisions, if you tend to do root cause analysis, things like that, all through kind of like that assumption, gut instinct, gut feeling, it's really time to start partnering that with all of the data that you have. So I'm going to give you some world examples. So I have two different customers that I was working with, two different service desks. Both were fully staffed. Both had great tools. So one desk number one, they're using ServiceNow. Desk number two, they were using Sharewell. They had Cisco Call Manager. I mean, they have
Yep.
like best in class, enterprise tools. Um, but something just wasn't working. They weren't getting the results that they wanted. So one desk, so desk number two, they were positive that they were not being served by their overflow service desk. They had a third party service desk. They took overflow calls during business hours, like, right, everyone's on the phone, have to roll a call over. They did their nights, weekends, holidays, and they were just certain that this desk just wasn't getting the job done. They just said they poor quality, our end users are frustrated. And I almost thought, hey, I was being brought in to evaluate this, which as someone who's worked third party service desk, there's a lot of grace that you kind of have to bring into that situation. And in the second um, group, they were certain that their quality numbers, their customer satisfaction was at like an all-time low. And they did some qualitative interviews, and they were like, people call our help desk the helpless desk, and like I said, these groups were just like, why? What is going on? What's going wrong? So this is where I love, I do the interviews, and then we pair it with the numbers. So we kind of say, hey, let's take all the things that we know are happening and start asking why. Why is that? Why is it the way it is?